Okay, part 2, guys. Sorry about that. Here's a little envelope from the kit where you can just put in little sayings, inspirations, and still plenty of places to write. Some more plain paper that's been stenciled, and more of that notebook page where you can put a little card or receipts or whatever you require in there. Another page from the kit. More blank pages to write on. And a book in the back of the book page. And here's some more pages from the kit. I truly love the sayings that are on the back and the attention to detail. It is absolutely beautiful. I still have more blank pages to write on. And here is the other note paper. And I do like the saying. Now here's another page that was there, journals to make. Which is another page from the kit. The colours, the way it's done is absolutely brilliant. And this is the back of the first signature. I love the blue. The blue's just so pretty. The second signature. And once again I've used a little paper ruffle with a bit of lace. And here I've just had a saying that I found in a book that it suits me. And here's a mason jar from the kit, from the BirdSong kit. Just beautiful. Somewhere to write memories. And on the back, websites, passwords. Here's a book page that I can write on the back of. Once again, just stenciling and blank pages so I can write on them. And here is like a little circle tuck spot, but I've actually just put postage stamps around, and you can actually just flip them inside there like that, and it holds. Another page from the kit, and some more lined paper from the kit as well. Plenty of places for me to write my ideas, what I see, who I like to watch. And here's another page from that kit. And they've actually just sewn coffee stain paper on the back and done a bit of stenciling. And here's another one too that has the month, and it's undated, so you can put whatever month, year, date you need to, and just things you need to do, and especially dates to remember. And here's another little mini file tuck that I've made using the ephemera from the kit, and these are also ephemera from the kit as well. The bird. This bird is absolutely awesome. So vivid. And the one for the peacocks. And here's another page from the kit. And another page. I like the colouring. It's just the blue is just so brilliant. Some more note paper that I acquired from a book. Plain paper to write on. Another lined piece of page from the kit. And I absolutely brilliant. It's just really nice. More blank pages that I have, and another page from the kit as well. And I've got more blank pages there. Lined paper. Some more pages from the kit. And then I've got a few lined pieces of paper. And here's another tuck spot with ephemera from the kit. This one's nice too. As well as this one. Now I just put that on the back of some book pages. And this is the end of the second signature. Like the owl. This book is 3 signatures and it's approximately 190 odd pages in this book. Now this is the 3rd signature, and here's a page from the kit. Once again I've done the paper ruffle. But on this one I've got the Tim Holtz tag slot, and I've got pieces of ephemera from my stash in there as well. I've left that blank. Now I haven't done any stenciling on this one because this is actually a book that I actually pulled apart and put in, and there is actually 52 weeks in this 3rd one. Signature. So it's just a pre-bought one that I had, and it's got everything that you could do to write in it. And in the middle of this signature I've got BirdSong. It's used as an envelope, so I can put things in it. And these are pages from the BirdSong kit. It's beautiful, it really is. There is so much of it. And on the back page here, you've got I've made it, there was a little piece of ephemera, and I've put something so you can write on it. And here I've just made a little notebook from some of the German cards and just sewn in the middle. Another page from the kit. I just thought the Kingfisher is gorgeous. Now this pocket was gifted to me, and it's done really well with this because it is all about birds. And the back page is another page from the kit. Now I do hope that you've enjoyed what I've shown you today. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, thanks very much.